아, 진짜 많이 올라가야 되네.
네.
Wow, this is a hike. What is this?
Yeah.
It's like so cool here.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know. Miryang Orumgur.
Flowing water. Oh, that's between 4 and 8.
We're supposed to go like feel the water.
Yeah, let's feel it.
와.
엄청 시원하겠다. 저 엄청 차가워.
아, 그 계곡에다가 수박을 하나 딱 넣고 싶어.
어우, 최고죠.
Whoa, dude, that's so cold.
It's so cold.
Whoa,
Wow.
dude. Dude, it's like ice.
It's like
You can feel the
I can feel like the cold coming down the mountain. It's like I'm standing in front of a fridge.
Yeah, like. Oh, dude, that's so cold. Ah, it burns. Ah, wow. Oh, 좋다. Oh, right, try this. Get ready. You ready?
Oh, on the back of my neck.
How's that?
Oh,
Better?
amazing.
How long do you think you could keep your hands in the water?
Not long.
Do I have a competition? Do I have a competition? Let's do it. Okay, let's see who can do it longer.
Loses has to buy the other person banana uyu.
Okay.
바나나 우유도 안 나오나 했어요.
아하.
하나, 둘, 셋, 셋.
야, 이거는 쉽지 않을 텐데.
This is really cold.
No, I want the milk.
I want the milk.
This was a horrible idea. Okay, how about this? After 1 minute, if none of us pulls out, we just buy ice.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
둘 다 앉으려고 지금
I'll buy it. I'll buy it.
와, 포기했다고? 와.
Probate. Oh. Oh, dude, that was a horrible idea. That's good training for winter though, because that's how it feels to be outside. 진짜 아팠어요. Oh, that's so nice.
Wow, I can feel it.
Oh, bro, you can feel it on your feet. Oh, dude, this is measuring the temperature.
6.4요?
네.
와.
This is where the ice is? Oh,
Can you see any?
없어.
I don't, but that feels really nice.
It felt like you're standing in front of a refrigerator and like you're feeling the cold like hit you. It felt like unreal, like there was an air con like right in front of my face. Like that's how intense it is.